Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you set custom values for your axis for a given Matplotlib plot. So I am on my VS Code, and if I will run my code quickly, you can see that right now I haven't set any axis particularly. So by default, it is taking values from till 10 on the right hand side and until around 1.25 on the y-axis. So what if you want to change the scale? If you want to extend from 10 to 14? So that's what we are going to see today. Now in order to set the values, we need to call xlim and ylim functions. So plt.xlim, and inside this you can pass your minimum as well as the maximum. So I want my x-axis to start from -1 and it should go till 14, and similarly I want my y-axis to start from -1.5 to say +1.5. Okay, now if I will go ahead and execute this, you can see that now we can see the range till 14, and on the y-axis you can see it is coming up to 1.5. So now let's say for whatever the reason you want to swap this, you want your axis to start from 14 and go until 1 or -1. So in that case you need to simply swap these parameters and we are good to go. Now you can see that it is starting from 14 and going till -1 on the rightmost side. So this is the easiest way to change the axis. Now I want to show you one more trick. Now rather than using two different lines, we can also achieve the same result using single line. And for that we need to use axis function, and here you need to pass 4 different values in the form of list. So at first we will say minimum x limit, then I would say maximum x limit, which is 14 for me, then I would say minimum y limit, which is -1.5, and maximum y limit as 1.5. We can get rid of this code and still we would get the same results. Now you can see that using single line also we were able to achieve the same result. So up to you that which is your preferred way. There is no hard and fast rule for this. And I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thanks for watching.